In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search filters in Google Drive. If you've ever scrolled endlessly trying to find a single document, this walkthrough will help you zero in on exactly what you need in seconds. First, log into Google Drive with the account where your files live. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the search bar that runs across the toolbar. This is your starting point for every search in Drive, and it's where the powerful filters live. Inside or beside that search bar, you'll see an option for advanced search. Click it to open a panel with filter choices. Think of this panel as your control center for narrowing results. Begin by choosing a specific file type. If you know you're after a Google Doc, a sheet, a slide deck, a PDF, an image, or even a video, select that type. Filtering by type removes tons of noise and makes Drive return only the kind of file you actually want, which is especially helpful if you remember what the file is but not its exact name. Next, filter by owner. If it's something you created, choose Owned by Me. If a teammate shared it with you, switch to Not Owned by Me or pick the person from the suggestions that appear. This is great for cutting down results in shared environments where many people contribute files. You can also narrow by location. Choose My Drive if it's in your personal folders, or look in Shared with Me or a shared drive if it's part of a team space. Location is useful when you remember where a file lives but not what it's called, and it keeps Drive from searching everywhere at once. Add keywords to sharpen your results even more. Use words from the title or content you're likely to remember. If you know an exact phrase, put it in quotes to match it precisely. You can also include a couple of distinctive terms to help Drive separate similar files. The more specific your keywords, the better your results. Once your filters are set, click Search. Drive will return a focused list based on everything you selected. If the first pass isn't perfect, adjust a filter or tweak a keyword and search again until the right file rises to the top. That's all there is to it. By combining file type, owner, location, and a few smart keywords, you'll find what you need in Google Drive quickly and confidently without the endless scrolling.